My name is Hazel Richardson. I'm studying Level 3 Health and Social Care at Coleg Gwent. The thing I like most about the course is that it doesn't just lead you down like a narrow path. It opens you up to so much more, and I think that's the thing I like about most, is that you learn social science, you learn about safeguarding, you've got legislation. It's overall just a really interesting course. I've previously done my placement in a care home in which I just sit with the residents, do activities with them and make them teas and coffees, and I think it's a really good learning experience. I chose to study at Coleg Gwent because I felt like I needed more education. I aspired to go to uni, so I thought going to college would be the best opportunity for me, and it's helped me have a more defined idea of what I'd like to do after I leave. I'm hoping to study psychology with counselling at university and potentially either go into something with psychology or specifically go into counselling. I would recommend Coleg Gwent to other students just because it's a really nice environment. The people are lovely, the tutors are excellent, and overall you're guaranteed a brilliant learning experience.